Came back. Carbonated flame.
Come on, we have to.
Allie was talking to me, and I'm like, yeah, I keep dying a whole lot.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these.
Oh, he's making fun of me, I think.
Made these?
Yeah.
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't
What did you
video
tell me
game.
about them?
Why would I?
See Mario
She
Kart,
plays
which is
all
awesome.
Kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so.
But does Mario
Come on,
Kart
let's
have
find
to
her.
jump? No!
Sometimes.
Where are we?
No, like this bullshit.
No, you use this place.
I haven't been in
Well, yeah,
ages.
probably not.
Plus, everything looks different.
It's like some twisted version of reality.
We're in the upside down. I forgot to jump.
Okay. That's still not the right button.
The left one.
There we go.
And lift. Pivot. Pivot.
Look.
Hey, Siri!
Rose! Rose! Honey! Rose! She can't
Rose.
hear us.
Oh no.
How are we gonna get over there now?
How are we gonna get over there?
I can help. Over here. Look, I know the way.
Come on.
We have to dance our
I'll
way.
take you there if you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes, that heartless woman. Do you know her?
Well, yeah.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for our hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
This team is dark.
Look, Hannah,
This is.
there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet.
I feel like I need to go,
Save your
like,
friends, but
polish my
only if you
hair
can
or
get those
something.
over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
Okay?
Now go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Just whistle.
Whoa.
What?
And now I'm carrying a hammerhead on my back.
Hammer time.
We got a flying nail and a talking hammer.
Let's go.
Whee!
Hey, look, that's all right.
Oh, that was
Careful
convenient.
with that nail, Cozy. I don't want it in
Whoa.
my eye.
Okay, well,
Okay.
that hammer on my.
Do it again. I gotta nail it. There we go. Now you can the big
Check that out.
the big prompt. I completely missed.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
Um. Maybe we have to be their button. Oh.
Steady now.
So you have to do that. I see it now. Think you might have to time that a smidge better?
Sweet moves.
Then-
Like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hannah.
Oh yeah, what I'm supposed to do something else.
No, that nail right there.
I gotta do it again.
Yep, I think you have to do it a couple times. You had that right there.
That was... yeah. Just throw it farther away.
Do you want it closer?
Hold on.
I was bringing it closer to the edge.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. It's actually good. This is satisfying. Ah!
I don't know what those do, but I'm going to keep hitting them.
You are trying to blow me up.
Not on 100% purpose. You can get it. You got this. Kickflip. Is it too far away?
I don't think so. I think I'm just bad at this.
You might have to dash while you're in the air. Ooh, there it was.
This is terrible.
So XX square R2. Oh, look at that! You nailed it. Pun intended.
Nail. Yoo-hoo! Still over here. The bridge, please.
Need to be higher. Oh. Now I have 2 nails. All right.
You're welcome.
Ooh, nice.
I think I'm gonna be set.
Excellent. Oh, I see it now. Okay. Can you do it again? I think I probably have to do a double here. You nailed that one, honey.
Oh god. Okay,
That was
wait.
perfect.
Where did it? Oh, over there. That was amazing.
Oh, never mind.
I was like, wait, I can't double hit that. That's not gonna work. Whee!
Bottles for you to break.
Hey.
Go buck wild. I know there are. Can I break these? Nope. You missed some.
Nuh-uh.
Why can't I break all of the lights as this guy? Ah! Super rude. Ah!
What now?
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow. What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
No.
When you're
Way.
willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this,
Can somebody give me a high?
welcome to your first couples challenge.
Oh, we're
How's
failing
the rest
that.
of this been?
You must do it together.
I mean, do we need to turn off the camera for this?
Well, I guess we're gonna have to. All right, you want to give it a try?
I haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
He's got a headache.
Me? Huh, no way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Already been brought in.
Yeah.
Hey, May, come here.
Back at Cody.
Katrina has followed us. Hi, Katrina.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Watch your head, Cody.
Oh, you're waiting on me.
You won't beat me. I'm faster than a mole.
My hammer's faster than that.
Too slow.
Ah!
Ha! You missed. There you go.
Oh, right in the junk.
Take it
Ow.
I
Cody
See you
wins.
next time.
I was too fast while you were hitting me.
Oh, do we gotta do it the other way now?
I don't know. I think we just have to do that again.
Okay.
I don't really have a hammer.
Warm up for this.
Hi, Katrina.
Oh, that's right.
Ow.
Found it.
Ow. Ow. Right in the junk.
Yeah.
Nothing to it.
This is terrible.
I think this is just a game. I think we don't have to do it, but
Oh, we can go on?
if you want to keep just whacking me, you can.
That's okay.
Whee!
Ah, the sweet
Hammer rage, pretty much. Ooh, I think I've got to do this. Yeah.
That works better. No! I thought you just... I thought it was gonna squish me.
I wasn't not trying to squish you.
Jerk face. Oh my god.
Ooh, nice.
Hey!
Hey, Cody. Over here.
I fell off the edge. Okay, now hit it. Shoot at targets to store. All right.
My nails are better than your
Minigame!
You wish.
hair. Just you watch. Nailed. Easy.
Ooh.
Better at this time.
I have a much better like leverage.
Serve.
That's right.
Being above it, like, seems like it's way easier.
Better than we're gonna be sick. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, nice.
What the?
Be careful now, Meg.
Forgot how. Oh! I just dashed into it. Trying to remember how to duck.
Circle. All right,
Figured that out.
Down.
So I tried every other button.
pulling it out. I think I hit that button in front of you.
I do not like this angle. Can I just say that?
Oh, that's going to be awful.
Nice one.
What was that? I can't do a straight jump, but I can do that. This one's gonna suck.
I try to put them next to each other, ish. Oh, okay. Woo. Okay.
I thought it flung me all the way down. And I was gonna be real sad.
Are those in okay placements?
No idea.
Okay.
Not there yet. Yep. Whee!
Whee! You're doing great, honey. Oh!
All blades? Really?
What?
Heads up, Cody.
What's up, Cody?
Got a third nail.
That makes 3.
Yay! No, but there's something I gotta go do, huh?
Gonna guess. Oh wow. Okay. All right. This is awful. Okay, so you know when to hit it. And here we go. No, 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 no. Woo! Nice job, honey. Okay, so,
I need that one!
okay. I can see which ones I can pull out now. I understand how it works now.
I'm seeing that I need that one.
I can choose which one to recall instead of just recalling whatever. Got it now.
Okay. Sorry, need a Diet Coke.
Hope you're good.
Sponsor us.
Deal.
The amount that I drink.
But then I need to pull out this one. And that one.
Give me something to land on. There we go. This is terrible. This is terrible.
Where's my other one? Oh, there it is. It's the relationship exercise.
This is terrible.
No worries, we can take a break in a few minutes, like after a couple more tries to.
Whoa. Up, 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 up. There we go. Up, up. Hey.
All right, I'm gonna pull those out, and I need to do that one, that one.
Fall.
You know,
Nice.
you have pretty good teamwork.
Woo, you did
Oh
it.
God. Okay. No, I gotta not die because I don't want to do that again. What the fuck? There we go.
Over here.
Oh. Woo!
Thanks.
Woo!
One of the buttons locks on. I don't know. Oh, R. If you click in the right stick, it locks on to me.
Oh.
There we go.
I think these guys are gonna be really upset
Break it open.
when
All right,
they get
let's
big
bring it over
and
here.
they have to clean up all this broken glass.
Probably. We can do it. Bust open the box.
I don't think it's like that.
They have a complicated.
What the heck kind of garage do we have?
I know they have a complicated ninja garage or something. All right. Straight to the eyeball.
Grimy toolbox.
I think we have to go after it. Ah! Don't get hit by the nails.
Okay.
Yeah, the little black dots that show up, those are nails. Don't die.
Good to know. Good to know.
How am I gonna do this without getting smashed?
Never get away with this, you
When it.
stupid toolbox.
Not like that. May just got him killed.
I got impaled too. Hit the hammer. Oh,
I don't know
what?
what it did. I'm dead.
I don't see a way to pin that up. I think you just have to run. There we go. Ooh, so close. You almost had it.
I'm gonna get.
So stale.
Run, jump. Nice.
Wait. Bye.
Oh. Oh. There's another thing there I could throw out.
Getting away.
Um.
I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Oh, good luck with that. Wonder if I can stop him. Nope.
Just stay up there and don't die.
Okay. I can do that.
This might be a minute. So close. I told you not to die.
I didn't die
What
yet.
are you doing up there?
Not watching you.
Nailed by nails.
Don't die, I fell off the edge. I think you have to hit the yellow thing, and I gotta pin it.
What?
Over here.
Why didn't you pin it?
I was getting hit by. Oh! I was getting smoked by things.
I do not like this nail gun. Am I supposed to jump from here?
Yeah.
Hey, don't die. Where the hell did I end up?
You're down a thing.
Oh, got it. Alright, where are we going?
Right to glass.
Easy on me. Right there.
Ow! No pressure, no pressure. There we go. Maybe.
Good one, Cody.
Sure.
Oops.
I'm failed. Oh, I know, Rocky.
Ooh, oh. Boss fight time. Oh, I have no idea on this one.
Nope, no ideas. Not seen this one. not like that.
Got him, mate.
Good. Now get me to the other side.
Oh, I see. There you go. Jump on the thingies over here.
Ah! That was not fast enough. Got it. I know what to do though.
I think that did that on its own.
I gotta remember not to watch your side. Alright. Oh, nope. I might know what to do, doesn't mean I can do it.
Stewart does like a big dodge.
Alright. Roar! Come do this for me? This is terrible.
I mean, if you want me to.
No, I'm gonna keep trying. Cause roar! I can do this. No, I can't.
Oops, sorry. I missed the shot and then it like didn't bring my nail back. So if you run towards the edge over here. Oh. Nice!
What do I do?
Hit the locks. Nice!
No, no. What are you doing? What are you? Stop it! Stop it!
Okay, so we gotta do that again. Got it. Uh-oh!
Oh god.
He brought out his Drill Master 4000.
Uh-huh. So now there's gonna be holes. No, we can't fall down.
Hopefully not.
Hey, watch those nails.
This is terrible.
This is awful.
Alright. But, we know what we gotta do.
Doesn't mean I can do it.
You can do it. I believe in you, honey. Oh, more. Oh, awesome. All right, we got this. We got this. And jump.
I mentioned this is awful.
There we go. You can do it. Oh, look at that. You. Oh, just in time. You nailed that. We got one arm. I don't know what we're doing with the other arm, though. Ooh, you're going ninja steel.
Being a badass. No idea.
That's gonna hurt.
Oop, that's me. I don't know how I'm supposed to get over there.
Ah. I don't know how I'm supposed to hit that.
Me neither.
Certainly not like that.
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
I am not a bug.
You have no idea. Square dodge is really far if you. If that helps. There you go.
Get up there! Get on it! Get
Oh.
on it!
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I see now. Sorry. That was me.
that's okay. I didn't see either. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. I mean, I know I die like 3 times for your everyone, maybe 5 times for your everyone, but
Okay, we gotta do that like 25 more times. Oh, there's saws?
there's just all sorts of flying
Yeah.
bull now. And it's cutting pieces off! Dude. This is not
Like-
cool!
Like, what is it doing?
Cutting it down. I think I just died like 18 times in a row. This is amazing.
Oh, really? I need one more hit.
We're gonna die.
I say, I hope he doesn't have anything else.
Actually, that thing's gonna flat.
Oh. Oh.
Finish off that spray can.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. We will cheat to victory.